is the ICICI Pro Smart Kid Guarantee Plan, the solution that aligns with your child's milestone from education to career aspirations? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is this policy is about. So this is a plan which has guaranteed savings plan for your child's goal that ensures security with continued benefits and future premiums waived in case of unforeseen events. So now let us take a look at the key features of this policy. So this policy provides you with life insurance coverage for the entire policy term, and it also offers you the flexibility to choose the duration of your guaranteed income based on your child's future financial needs, and you have the option to receive guaranteed income that remains constant or increases annually during the payout period. And there are also money back benefit which allows you to reclaim 0% to 100% of the total annualized premium paid, and the money back payout can begin any year after the policy term ends, and you are eligible for tax benefits as per the prevailing tax regulations. So these are some of the key features of this policy. Now let us take a look at the benefits of this policy. So there are three kinds of benefits. First is the death benefit. So in the event the policy holder passes away during the policy term, then death benefit will be paid out in a lump sum to the nominee or the legal heir. So the death benefit will be highest of any of the four options mentioned on the screen. And since waiver of premium rider is an inbuilt feature, you get a waiver on all future premiums on the occurrence of unforeseen events like death, accidental, total permanent disability, terminal illness, or critical illness. This feature ensures that the policy benefits such as regular payouts and maturity payouts will be provided without any interruption, and the claimant will continue to receive the guaranteed income and money back benefit. And at any time during the income period, the claimant shall have the option to receive the discounted value of future income and money back benefit. So this is the death benefit. So the income benefit is the option where you can select whether you want to receive guaranteed income or that remains at the same level throughout the income period or increases every year at a simple interest of 5% per annum. And money back benefit is something which is payable at maturity. So you can choose to receive any percentage from 0 to 100% of the total of annualized premiums, known as a money back benefit. So you will need to select the percentage of money back at inception. The lower the money back benefit percentage, the higher your income benefit will be, which is your annual regular income, and vice versa. So these are all the benefits available in this policy. Now let us take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of investing in this policy. So the advantages are you can enjoy the flexibility of receiving income on a date of your choice with a saved date option, and there are built-in waiver of premium feature which ensures income benefits continue uninterrupted in any circumstance, and you have the option to receive all future benefits as a lump sum at a discounted value for added convenience. And the low cover income booster option allows you to increase your income by opting for a lower life cover. So once the ICICI Pro Smart Kid Guarantee Plan policy attains surrender value, you can avail a loan of up to 80% of the surrender value. So these are some of the advantages of this policy. Now let's take a look at the disadvantages of this policy. So while you can choose from various options for income benefit and money back benefit, these choices are fixed once selected at the start of the policy and cannot be altered later. This can be a major drawback, and life cover does not continue during the income payout period. So the money back benefit impacts the income benefit, requiring a trade-off between the two. The income benefit may also end up in discretionary expenses. These are also some of the main drawbacks of this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us now evaluate the potential returns we can get from this policy to truly analyze whether investing in it would be worth it in the long run or not. So this requires analyzing its internal rate of return, IRR. So let us consider an example where we are going to assume a 35-year-old male opts for this policy with a 10-year income benefit and 100% money back benefit at maturity. So this policy has a sum assured of 10.7 lakh, a premium paying term of 10 years and a policy term of 11 years with an annual premium of 1.01 lakh. So the initial income benefit is 93,190 rupees, increasing annually by 5% simple interest. So a money back benefit of 10 lakhs is paid along with the final income benefit. So upon calculation, the IRR for this cash flow is 5.39% as per the ICICI through Smart Kid Guarantee Plan Maturity Calculator. So considering the overall investment period of over 20 years, this return is disappointing for a long-term investment. Ideally, such investment should at least keep pace with inflation. An IRR of around 5% means your money's purchasing power is eroded over time. With such low returns, the guaranteed income benefit of the ICICI Pru Smart Kid Guaranteed Plan offers little financial advantage to you. So this is a major drawback. Now, as we know, this plan is not giving us a desirable outcome. What we are going to do is we are going to explore alternative investment options that offer life insurance and regular income. So what we are going to do is we are going to separate life insurance and invest in it separately using the same parameters as the previous example by conducting a comparative analysis. So let us assume that for life insurance, we have chosen a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 11 lakhs which costs 9,000 rupees annually for a policy term of 11 years and a premium paying term of 5 years. In contrast, the ICICI plan requires a 10-year premium payment plan. This means that for the first 5 years after paying the term insurance premium, the remaining amount can be invested, and from the 6th year onward, the entire allocated amount is available for investment. So based on individual risk appetite, the fund can be invested in either debt, which is low risk, or equity, which is high risk instrument. So in this comparison, we have chosen to invest the balance in ELSS mutual fund, which is a tax saving equity investment option. So the corpus accumulated during the investment phase is utilized during the income benefit period to provide regular payouts similar to the ICICI plan income benefit. The final withdrawal mirrors the money back benefit offered by the ICICI plan. So in the ELSS investment phase, the pre-tax corpus value grows to 23.55 lakhs and the post-tax value is 21.34 lakhs. So in the income period, this corpus is reinvested in an instrument offering 7% annual return. So the regular annual withdrawals can be made with the final withdrawal replicating the money back benefit. So the final corpus here after annual withdrawal is the remaining corpus, which stands at 25.18 lakhs with an IRR of 8.55%. If withdrawal are avoided, the corpus can compound further, offering even higher returns. So for regular income, it is more efficient to invest separately instead of combining insurance and investment. This approach ensures better return, liquidity, and flexibility, which are lacking in the ICICI Pru Smart Kid Guarantee Plan. Now, what is the final verdict on this policy? Is it worth investing or not? As you can see from our analysis that this plan allows customization of income benefit and money back benefit. However, beyond these options, it operates much like a traditional money back policy where premiums are paid in the early years and benefits are received as regular income later. So under this plan, the income benefit is not directly tied to the sum assured or premium paid. Instead, it depends on the percentage of money back benefits you select. This money back benefit can be taken at maturity or during any year of the income period. However, opting for a higher percentage of the money back benefit reduces the income benefit amount and it also has a high agent commission. The trade-off between the final money back benefit and the income benefit limits the plan's flexibility. Furthermore, the life cover is restricted to the premium paying term. Instead of relying on ready-made children's education plan, consider investing separately for better returns and greater flexibility. So try to build a diversified investment portfolio which is tailored to your risk appetite and life's financial goals. Simultaneously, secure adequate life insurance by opting for a pure term life insurance policy.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, We also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.